Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to cancel an event on Google Calendar. So I will open my Google Calendar on my phone. I'm using Android phone. As you can see, this is my schedule, monthly schedule daily schedule on this Google Calendar. I have two main events on this week. I've just created a dummy event for this tutorial, and then next week, the next day, I have YouTube classes on 2022, and then how to cancel my event that I was created. So you just click that event, and then click again on that event that you have created, and then there is no feature such as cancel event, but there is an option of delete the event. So you just click this triple dot and then click delete, and then you can click delete this event, and then later you can opt in that you want to cancel it to people that already invited to this event. So I want to click send, so people on that event that I cancelled will be notified by Google automatically, so you no need to worry. And then the next one, if you are invited to some event, for example this YouTube class, I can't cancel these YouTube classes obviously because I'm not the host, but I can cancel for me myself by deleting that one, and then will be that event will not showing anymore on my calendar, but the event still be going because it depends on the host of that event. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.